In this video, you'll learn the easiest way to embed a Klaviyo form directly in your Shopify store. First, open both your Klaviyo dashboard and your Shopify store in separate tabs. Then, switch to the Shopify tab and select Online Store to start editing your site. Now, use the Add button to access marketing integrations and enable the Klaviyo on-site JavaScript by toggling it on, then save your changes to activate the integration. Next, start the process of embedding a new form by selecting Get Started and choose the embedded option for your form. Click Next to proceed. Here, select a static coupon and enter your coupon code. Then, add a description of your offer into the form fields. When finished, move forward to the customization step. Customize your form by selecting a side image and clicking Edit Form. Then, choose to close the form after submission for a better user experience before finalizing your options. When you're ready, publish or schedule your form. Confirm by clicking Publish Now so your form goes live immediately. Copy your embed code, then switch to your Shopify Store tab and open the theme actions to start editing your store layout. Add a new section or page by choosing to add a product or content option. Then, use formatting and open the editor to paste your Klaviyo embed code in the desired locations. Save your changes to update the store and make your new form visible to customers. You've now embedded a Klaviyo form in Shopify. Good luck growing your email list!